Hello friends!
Hello,
We are Art
friends.
Kids Factory. We have Sky, Gizmo, and Yuji. It's been a couple of years since the last post, but
Yeah.
it's still going, in case if you're wondering. So, today, what are we going to draw?
Doraemon.
Yes, Doraemon. We are going to draw this Japanese character called Doraemon.
And
What is it? It's blue
It's white and red.
white, and it's a robot. But it's a cat
Yeah.
model. it's a
It's a
cat.
cat mouse.
It's meant to look like a cat, but he's got his ear bitten. It's a long story. You have to look it up. But it's a very famous classic Japanese anime
and
or
it's probably
comic.
made at Japan.
Everyone knows in Japan.
Yeah, so it's
Everyone knows.
definitely made.
It's a classic. I grew up with it. He grew up with it. Everyone grew up with it. It's a Doraemon. Let's draw it. So, what do we need? What do we need?
We need a Sharpie.
Sharpie or any thick
Yeah.
black marker.
Marker.
Whatever you have at home.
And
Sharpie is the best.
paper.
A4 paper. Any printing paper. Anything. Scrap paper. Whatever. White paper.
What paper?
And
Coloring.
any coloring thing you have lying around in your house. Anything, marker, whatever. Crayon. I like this crayon thing here. Recommend.
It's good. It's good
Or it could
for
be
your.
pencil, anything, as long as it adds any color. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it. Give me 5. Alright.
Yes.
Do you wanna say that? Go.
Art Kids
Factory! No. Bring it on!
Bring
Is our
it
thing.
on.
Bring it on!
Yes.
First, what you want to do is you put a little dot.
That's it.
Just watch. Somewhere in the middle and top. Here. Just put a dot. Small
Yeah?
dot. That's just a little, like an indication. Because his head will be this big, fairly big, almost as half the size of this paper. So just think about
As half of the world.
half of the paper. So somewhere around there. Just put another dot there.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's just a little indication. And then his body, we're going to draw his body as well, which will look proportion-wise, it'll be around here. So just let him stand there.
Yeah.
No, middle. Just keep the middle
Yeah.
center line. Yeah. Just so you know, that's his head. This is where his head goes. This is where his body goes. Yes?
Yeah.
So that's just a little sign. Alright, another little sign we might need is where his head, you don't want his head to be like wide or, disformed.
Yeah, so you have to do it
So
side.
just to put a little dot again, somewhere in the middle, there. Just so
Yeah.
you won't go over. Somewhere there, yeah. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Alright, next. We're gonna draw the first main thing, which is very crucial, very important. We draw like maybe
Maybe.
3/4 of a circle. That makes sense. So this is going to be his neck. It'll be like
His color.
no, not collar. Yeah, this is his collar, and then this is his head, shaped like this. So just follow these guides that you
Okay.
have. Just watch me. Just watch me first. Just watch me.
Okay.
Okay. So starting somewhere here. Again, you can probably put a little dot there too as a starting point. There and there. Okay, that's a good guide.
Here.
Yeah. Make sure this is sitting roughly around the same line as your middle neck. This is where his bell. This is where his bell goes.
Okay.
Okay? So starting from this point, we're gonna draw big circle.
Can I draw one here?
No. Just watch me. Just follow these dots and make sure it's roughly circle. Okay? Just watch me. Watch. And then dot. Dot.
Dot.
dot,
Dot.
and then back to the dot. Dot. Yes. Yep. Go to the dot. Yep, and then back to the dot.
Dot.
Yes. See? Because he had the guide, he won't go way over or way too small, you know? Okay? So that's his head.
This.
That's good. That's good. Next one is his eye. Let's go for his eyes. So his eye goes somewhere around there.
He goes around here.
Yeah.
But you need a
We just need a two smaller circle like this.
like an oval shape.
Oval shaped. 1, 2. Like that.
2.
Yes. And then we need another little circle inside of his
Here.
eyes. That is going to be his pupil.
Like this.
Yes. Oh, you got it right. Exactly. See? Very good. Okay. What do we need in the middle?
His
Look at this.
nose.
Yes, we need his nose.
So it's like this. I think it's like a reindeer.
Yes, exactly. A bit smaller, like that.
Like this.
All right. Okay. So now we need another oval shape around his head, but smaller. So
So
imagine if this shape is smaller, going
So
through.
you have to put a dot there or
No. You've got the dot there, so you can start from here. Start from the same dot, but make sure you go roughly around his eye, middle of his eye, and then go back. So just watch me.
Okay.
Something like that. And then imagine if it goes through and then back to the dots. Woo! There you go. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. Okay. I think we've done the toughest bit. Because what we need now is his mouth. So going all the way down. That's somewhere there. Even further. And then just give him a big smile. He's always smiling. Happy. Smile. Everyone's always smiling.
No, you
Very wise. Yes. And what
now
else
you
we need?
cat.
Yeah, we need a cat. We need a, what do you call it? A whisk. Cat whisk.
Whisker.
Whisker. So 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1.
Okay.
Yes. 2, 3. So you can tell he used to be cat. Not anymore. Okay. It's easy. You've done the hardest part already. So we need to draw his body now. Before that, we need his collar, which is just basically a straight line through the dot, like that. Yep. And then he's got this little bell, like a yellow bell that rings.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's like a dog. Oh, cat, like a domestic cat. Anyway, the bell, I mean, it's kind of up to you, but I like to give it a little bit of a bell shape. Thing like this, watch. You know, like a typical bell thing. So this thing, yeah, that'll do. But I like to give it, and it's got a little hole here. This is where it rings. And then we need a collar, of course.
Like this?
Collar, yep, just the line that goes through again. Like that. There you go. Alright, okay.
Now you do the head.
As for the body, he's got a lot of circles, so let's go from one by one. So, remember this dot? This is where his feet goes, okay? So don't go over, you know? He's got this iconic
Daddy,
circle.
are you gonna do the head?
Yeah, of course. And guess what? his hands are circle. He's got a lot of circles. So let's tackle from his tummy. Tummy is very much like circle. Watch. Just watch.
Okay, it's like a donut, but not with holes.
Exactly. Like that. Give him a little.
Now a pocket.
And a pocket. Exactly. You know what his pocket does?
Yeah.
Is it a normal pocket or what?
It's magical pocket.
Yes. So what's inside the pocket?
Things that it helps his friend.
Nobita.
Yeah.
Yes. Supposedly his pocket is connected to future or something, and he just brings out like whatever tool he needs. Like Nobita needs to overcome any challenge that he's facing. Whatever, like whether it's a bully or whether he wants to show off with a new toy, or whether he's going back in time in Jurassic era or whatnot, he always takes stuff from the pocket. So it's like a magic pocket of everything.
Like a magic
Yeah, exactly. It's like a Harry Potter. Okay, so we've got a tummy, a pocket. I guess we need his legs as well. We're gonna go. Oh, you wanna go? Okay.
The hands.
Okay, the hands are circle. So okay, somewhere in the middle here. Just look. Somewhere like that.
I'm copying some.
Give him a little cute little hand like that. Just two circle. Just medium sized circle like that.
And like
And
this.
then.
Again, like this.
Mhm.
And then another one.
So we need his hand. Like that. We need his body as well.
Yeah. This is his body. Oh.
Like that. He doesn't have very long. His legs aren't that long. Like that. Good. Yep. And then all we've got left is his feet. His feet is just two oval shape like this. So, and then that's where your guide comes in handy.
Yeah.
Right there. So I know where to stop. Don't I? That. Just, yeah. Something like that. Yeah. Yes, just two shapes, yeah. Yep. Yep. There you go. Yep. A little bit small, but that's okay. So that is it in terms of black and white line drawing for Doraemon. So now we're going to color it so you can fast forward. Hi, we've done coloring. What do you think? It looks good. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at him. He's standing on his little stick looking leg. That is very creative. He's got something sticking out in between his leg, whatever that is. I'm not gonna ask you anymore. That looking very good. What do you think, Gizmo? Our special guest, sorry. Just hit his head. What do you think, Gizmo? I think that's very powerful. Powerful. I like it. Okay, he likes it too. Did you like it? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, roger that. Okay, whatever Alexa said. Okay, I guess I see you next time. Bye bye. Boku Doraemon. Bye bye, Doraemon.